I tithed, I prayed, I served faithfully for decades. And at 60 years old, I was broke. Not a little behind broke, credit card debt, no savings, no retirement. Living in a mobile home, wondering how I was going to survive on a government pension. And the worst part wasn't the money. The worst part was the silence. Because when you've given faithfully, served sacrificially, and trusted God with your finances, and you're still drowning, you can't talk about it. Because admitting you're broke feels like admitting your faith didn't work. So let me say the thing nobody in your church will say: your faith is not the problem. Your theology about money might be. There is a belief system that has infected the church for generations. I call it poverty theology. It sounds spiritual. It sounds humble, but it's devastating. It says things like, money is worldly, wanting more is greedy, God will provide so you don't need to plan. Rich people can't really love God, and struggling financially is somehow evidence of spiritual faithfulness. I believed every word of it for 30 years. As a pastor earning poverty-level wages, I wore my financial struggle like a badge of honor. I thought being broke meant I was holy. It didn't mean I was holy, it meant I was programmed. Poverty theology is not in the Bible. It's a cultural infection disguised as doctrine. The same Bible that says the love of money is the root of evil also says a good person leaves an inheritance to their grandchildren. The same Jesus who said you can't serve God and money also told a parable where the master rebuked the servant who buried his resources instead of investing them. The Bible doesn't teach poverty, it teaches stewardship. And stewardship requires resources. So if you're sitting there right now, tithing faithfully, praying earnestly, serving sacrificially and still broke, hear me. God is not punishing you. Your programming is limiting you. And programming can be changed. You don't need to abandon your faith to build wealth. You need to abandon the lie that faith and wealth are enemies. They're not enemies, they're partners. And the sooner you give yourself permission to believe that, the sooner everything changes. I know, because I'm living the other side of it. If this hit home, I've written extensively about this. Links are in the description. But more importantly, if you're the person I just described, you're not alone. And you're not failing. You're waking up,